Should I just go back right to that one? Alright class, shut up. Now today, before the bell rings, I'm going to tell you a bit about the birds and the bees while we're on the subject of the birds and the bees.
What would you know about that, Mr. Rushdie?
Oh yes! Oh, more than you'd think, kid.
Oh! Whoa, what does that mean?
So anyways, like I was saying, the fallopian tubes work a little like this with... Psst. Chuck. Psst. Chuck!
What?
Mr. Rushdie, may I go to the bathroom, please?
Go!
I got something to show you.
Okay, what is it?
I got something to show you.
Whoa, you, dude.
Not that, you perv. Okay, just meet me in the bathroom after class, okay?
Dude, just whip it out and show me in here.
Show him what? What is it?
Shh! I can't. It's too big to unfold under the desk.
Done! Quick, stand up and whip it out and show me.
Dude, I can't. If I stand up, the teacher will see it. Look, it's bulging out already. It's too big. It barely fits in my pants.
Seriously? What? What are you talking about?
Shh! Idiot. Here. Now shut up.
Oh, dude, I have one of those. Except for mine's black. A lot bigger.
But it looks just like your dad's.
It is my dad's.
What?
Oh. Alright guys, just meet me in the bathroom. I'll give you a little sneaky peeky.
Alright, for tomorrow read the chapter on the fantastic fallopian tubes and make a working papier-mâché model to present to class tomorrow.
Man, you're the sickest teacher I've ever seen.
Oh, tell me something I don't know. Now get out!
Ready, set, go!
Oh, hold on. I can't find mine. Jeez, where is it? Oh, there it is. Little bugger almost got away from me.
Oh!
Oh crap, I missed a little.
Whoa, dude, watch where you're aiming.
Sorry, at least I didn't hit you.
Oh, dude. You're just spooch.
I told you, man, everyone I show it to says that.
What happened to yours?
My dog got a hold of it.
No wonder it's all red and scratched up.
Guys, I think mine's broken.
Just jiggle it a little.
Oh, there it goes.
Dude, listen to the noise it makes.
Oh, easy high tech.
Whoa, I almost dropped it. Come on, dude, get a hold of that thing. Wait, so you put your thumb there, and you got a way better grip on it.
Oh, nice. I've never held it like this.
These ones, where's your solid stream of victory?
Okay, I can do this way better when I'm sitting down.
Same here, man. For some reason, it's so much harder when I'm standing up.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, yeah. Yeah! Got it! Yes! Watch it grow! Woo!
Alright, enough. You guys are creeping me out. I can't concentrate.
Wow, what's this problem?
I don't know, but hey, I gotta go. Check you guys later.
Oh, wait, Chuck. Could Josh and I get ready?
Yeah, let's roll.
Alright, sure.
Oh no!